Okay, I'm back. Making tea. Japanese tea, matcha. Oh, windshield. Wind is coming this way. You don't need that much to make tea for one person. Look at this. Hear the sound? Very powerful. Making omatcha. Matcha. This is for picnic. I like when my mother and I go foraging for the wild vegetables, sunside, or we go picnic, we always take this. Just make wet tea, boil kettle, and make tea. And wherever the nature, the spot, beautiful spot we're in, we'll enjoy. We enjoy matcha. I'll make one for you. If you were here. Boiling, need to be careful. Hold it. You can turn that off. Gotta rinse it. There's a bug in my cup. Boiling hot is not good, so I just pour a little bit of water in there. Wasn't too hot. Just spilled it on my hand. Wasn't too bad. Oh, man, there's washings. Need to do washing to do. Put it in the frying pan. Nice and warm. Quick and easy. Shortcut. Make tea. Oh, make tea and make tea. Before I make tea, I need to eat sweets. This is it. This is a summertime fruit. This is a summertime sweets called Mizu-Manjyu. Mizu-Manjyu. It is made, the coating is made of water and arrowroot powder. Kuzu, Yoshino Kuzu from Nara, the ancient capital, before the Kyoto, ancient capital, Nara, where the big Buddha is. This one is made in Seki by one of the wagashi maker, the Japanese traditional sweet pastry chef. And inside is azuki beans. Okay, I'll maybe if I had a plate, I go pinch a plate. One moment. I found Japanese magnolia leaves tree. I go pinch it. One. Wouldn't hurt. I go pinch it. Make a plate. There you go. Hoba. This is called hoba, Japanese magnolia. The bigger ones, I just picked the smaller ones, smallest ones. They're bigger. I'll show you later. It's just there. It's just there. Just wet it and dry it. Put it on the our little wood. My friend artist who live up there made it. Put a little air in there and it just comes out. You need to be careful, it's slippery. I think I better show you closer. See, if I tilt it might slip. The inside is azuki beans. Azuki beans, koshian. Koshian ってなんていうかな? Paste. Paste. You know, cook soybeans, add sugar, cook pinch salt, and then you paste. Make it in paste or the whole. Normally they come in this sweets comes with the paste azuki beans. You know? So you don't see the beans, it's a paste form. Yep, so that's what it is I am having with my matcha this morning. Okay, I make matcha now, reheat. Yes, still going strong. Still got the gas. Where's the tea? Oh, it's in the fridge. So we keep the tea in the fridge. Fresh tea must be kept in the fridge. Oh, there's a spoon in there. 2 grams, to be precise. Air getting hotter. That's it. Small bubbles, not boiling hot. This is good. You can touch it. You can touch it. Oh, should have wet this. Should have wet this. Otherwise it breaks. Quick and easy. Kasho dozo. Have this if you were there, if you were here, and you can also have this after the tea, after eating the sweets. Yes, so you can sit there. Not quite sure how this works. I see. Oh, just camera crew. Need a camera crew, everyone. Anyone? Any volunteer? Camera crew? Come help. Film, me cook, and make matcha. And let me talk. Let me cook. Let me keep cooking. Okay, I suppose you're here. You're here sitting in my desk, sitting in my chair. And this is your arm. Boom. Like that. I go like this. Gone. Wish I had a cameraman, camera woman would help. I mean, great. All by myself, selfie. Do it again. I'll do it again. It'sごちそうさまでした。いただきました。Peace of mind. Bowl of green tea, matcha, peace of mind. With the large leaves, I'll show you later. I'll show you now. Might as well. With the large leaves, so you can wrap up the sushi. And it's so tasty. So you can eat the sushi, unwrap this leaf called oba, not oba, hoba. It's only a small tree. This can grow much taller, over 10 meters. It's a baby tree, but still big leaves. See, big leaves, huge. See my hands. See my hands. So this big, extra large. See, magnolia, Japanese magnolia, white flower, early summer in May. May is the best season because they are so soft. Getting a little harder now. So soft, so you can wrap up sushi, and it'll just rubs perfectly. Anyway, so it's there on my YouTube channel. One of the videos of cooking, my cooking outdoor. As I told you over and over again in my video, promo video too, Sean and Noriko and Kazu, we got together and made good videos. It was made a long time ago, but it still works. That's the tradition, you know. I've been making traditional Japanese food as well as some twist, because I've been inspired by many people from all over the world. Chefs, hobby chefs, cooks, you know. So I have always I get new ideas, input. So I just put it in a pot, melting pot, and create something nice, healthy, yummy. That's what I like. And I need your help. If you can, come over here again. I'm sure you can. I'm sure I can fly again. Fly with Lufthansa, Qantas, Japan Airline, whatever. Air carrier, aircraft. Just hop on. Fly to you, and you can fly to me, to Seki. Oh, to Japan. And then catch a train or a bus, or you can drive. Airport to this mountain and catch, you know, and you can cook together out here. That's a great idea, you know. Next time, when we can travel, I will show you. I will take you to these beautiful places by the lake, at the foot of the mountain, by the at the onsen, and we cook with onsen water. Some onsen eggs. That's nice too. The onsen egg, onsen tamago, is nice to eat the noodle with noodle. Very nice. Particularly udon. That's nice, onsen tamago. So wherever I go, I will take you with this little camera, and you can watch me after I have finished, after I edit and post on YouTube. So you get to virtually experience the Japanese food I cook, and the places, the wonderful places, the hidden jewels of Gifu Prefecture. Not just Gifu. I will go some other places too, because I have friends or, you know, here and there. So I want to go to the ocean, to go fishing with my old friend who lives in, who has a house in Izu Peninsula. They have beautiful onsen too. It's on the volcano. I think it's building, the cloud is building, and I better pack now. Might get some rain this afternoon. But no rush. Okay, no? Thank you for joining us. Have breakfast and the matcha time. Thank you. I will take you to other amazing places, wonderful places, the hidden jewel of Gifu. Soon again. See ya. Burnt rice, hard to get it off. Come in.